In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Asana. Invite external users. 5 minutes. If you collaborate with clients, contractors, or partners who don't need full access to your Asana organization, inviting them as guests is the safest and cleanest way to share just what they need. Guests can be limited to a single project and assigned a role that fits their responsibilities, which keeps your workspace organized and secure. First, open your browser and head to the Asana login page. Enter the email address you use for your Asana account and select Continue. On the next screen, type your password and log in. If your account uses additional verification, just follow the prompts. In a moment, you'll land on your Asana home. From home, choose the project you want to share with a guest. Guests are added at the project level, so open the specific project where you want this person to collaborate. Once the project loads, look for the Share button near the top of the screen and click it. This opens the sharing panel for the project. In the Share field, type the guest's email address. Asana recognizes people outside your company's domain as guests automatically. Next, choose the role that best matches what they need to do. You can set them as a project admin if they'll help manage settings and members, an editor if they need to create and update tasks, a commenter if they should weigh in without changing content, or a viewer if they only need read-only access. Taking a moment to pick the right role helps prevent accidental edits and keeps responsibilities clear. When you're ready, select Invite to send the project invitation. The guest will receive a message from Asana with a link to join and will only see the project you shared, not the rest of your workspace. If you prefer to share the access link directly, you can copy the project link from the same panel and send it through your usual communication channel. The link respects the permissions you've chosen. That's it. You've added a guest to your project with the right level of access. If you ever need to adjust their role or stop sharing, return to the Share panel for this project and update their permissions from there. Using guests thoughtfully helps you collaborate smoothly while protecting the rest of your work in Asana.